Welcome to Bike Update. Today we're diving into the all-new 2025 Honda Shine 125, a bike that continues to dominate the commuter segment with its impressive performance, modern features, and reliability. Whether you're a daily commuter or someone looking for a dependable ride, the Honda Shine 125 promises to deliver on all fronts. Let's explore its features, specifications, and what makes it stand out in the 125cc category. Design and styling. The 2025 Honda Shine 125 retains its elegant yet sporty look, catering to riders who prefer a subtle yet stylish design. The bike features an updated headlamp with a sleek LED setup, chrome accents on the body, and attractive graphics that give it a premium feel. Its overall design is ergonomic, ensuring rider comfort while maintaining a modern appeal. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Shine 125 comes with Honda's trusted 124cc single-cylinder, air-cooled engine. This BS6-compliant engine produces 10.5 bhp of power and 11 Nm of torque, ensuring smooth performance for city commutes and occasional highway rides. Thanks to Honda's enhanced Smart Power ESP technology, the bike offers better fuel efficiency while reducing emissions. Comfort and features. Honda has prioritized rider comfort in the Shine 125. The bike comes with a long, well-padded seat and telescopic front suspension, ensuring a smooth ride even on bumpy roads. Features like a silent start with ACG, alternator current generator, digital analog instrumentation, and a combi braking system, CBS, make it a practical and safe choice for everyday riders. Mileage and fuel efficiency. One of the strongest points of the Shine 125 is its exceptional fuel efficiency. Riders can expect a mileage of around 60-65 km/L under standard riding conditions, making it one of the most economical options in its class. This bike is perfect for budget-conscious commuters who want a balance of performance and savings. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Honda Shine 125 is competitively priced, with a starting price of approximately RSI 2,000. It is available in multiple color options and can be booked through Honda dealerships or online platforms. Conclusion. To sum it up, the 2025 Honda Shine 125 is a versatile, efficient, and stylish commuter bike that lives up to its legacy. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a beginner, the Shine 125 offers an unbeatable combination of performance, comfort, and value for money. Stay tuned to Bike Update for more reviews and updates on the latest bikes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for regular updates. Ride safe and see you in the next video.